Okay, our experiment today is going to test the density of water. First, we have our glass full of regular tap water. It's clear, you can see through it. Second is our glass full of tap water with our added table salt, and I went ahead and added that, and it's just about 4 tablespoons full of salt. Third is our glass that is full of the salt water as well, and we're going to do something extra to this glass when we get to it. What would you say would happen if we dropped an egg into our regular tap water? Well, of course, everybody would think it would sink, right? Well, let's see. That's right, it sinks straight to the bottom. Now, if we take an egg and we drop it in our second glass full of salt water, see what happens. If you can see that, it floats. Let me get you a closer look. It's floating here at the top of the glass in our salt water. Now our third glass is the same salt water, so we're going to say it floats just like the third. You can see that. But we're going to do something a little different. We're going to take some regular water and pour it into a glass. And add a little bit of green food coloring. And I only poured it into the glass so it wouldn't stain up on the pitcher. Okay. Once we stir this up, then we're going to gently pour the regular tap water into this cup and see what happens. Okay, now if you can see that from here, we'll move it up here. The egg is not really floating at the top like this one, and it's not at the bottom like the first cup. It's sitting straight in the middle. When we added the salt to the water, the salt caused the water to become more dense than the egg itself, which made the egg float. In this one, when we added it, it was in the salt water and the egg was floating again, just like this. But when we added the regular tap water met the salt water and made the egg sink down and meet in the middle between the two types of water.